Hello, my name is Gorka Aguirre Giandinoto. I am 26 years old and I am from Spain. I would like to develop my professional skills by getting a chance to work in the environmental studies industry. And I hope you have a moment to let me present myself. I have a master's degree in environmental science from the University of Miguel Hernández. I am very interested in areas such as ecological research, sustainability, or natural resource management. During my studies, I got the best theoretical and practical knowledge about the sector I want to work in. And also, I cooperated with the Environmental Office, handling different projects. Besides, I took part in the European Union exchange program Erasmus at the Universidade dos Açores in Portugal. There I had an incredible opportunity of learning Portuguese, meeting people from different countries, and also helping at the laboratory in a day-to-day duties. I am an active person, therefore I combined work and studies at the same time. After my university career, in order to learn English, I moved to London, where I worked for 15 months in the catering business at the Good Eating Company. During this time, I got promoted twice, what can show my loyalty and my ability of supervising other employees at work. I can consider myself as a reliable and empathetic person, also as a team player, ready to face new challenges and meet new people and different cultures. If you are interested in my application, please contact me via email or visit my LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.